Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about content marketing strategies for affiliate marketers. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to leverage the power of content to drive traffic, engage your audience, and boost your affiliate sales, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share effective content marketing strategies that can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Let's dive in. The first content marketing strategy we'll explore is creating valuable and informative blog posts. Blogging allows you to provide in-depth information, tips, and insights to your audience. Choose topics that align with your niche and address your audience's pain points or interests. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your blog posts to improve search engine visibility. Aim to create content that is well-researched, well-written, and genuinely helpful. By positioning yourself as a trusted authority in your niche, you can attract a loyal audience and increase the chances of converting them into affiliate sales. Another powerful content marketing strategy is producing engaging and informative videos. Like this one, videos have become increasingly popular, offering a dynamic and engaging way to connect with your audience. Create tutorial videos, product reviews, or educational content that showcases the benefits of the products you're promoting. Optimize your videos with compelling titles, engaging thumbnails, and relevant tags to improve their visibility on YouTube and search engines. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos to expand your reach and increase your chances of generating affiliate sales. Social media platforms play a crucial role in content marketing for affiliate marketers. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to share valuable content, engage with your audience, and promote your affiliate products. Create a content calendar and develop a consistent posting schedule to maintain a strong social media presence. Share a mix of educational content, product recommendations, customer testimonials, and engaging visuals to capture your audience's attention and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Email marketing is another powerful content marketing strategy for affiliate marketers. Build an email list by offering a valuable lead magnet or newsletter subscription on your website. Send regular newsletters that provide valuable content, product updates, and exclusive offers to your subscribers. Personalize your emails and segment your audience based on their interests and preferences. This allows you to send targeted promotions and recommendations that are relevant to each subscriber, increasing the likelihood of conversions and affiliate sales. Finally, engaging with your audience through comments, direct messages, and online communities is a crucial content marketing strategy. Respond to comments on your blog posts, videos, and social media platforms. Join relevant online communities and participate in discussions related to your niche. By actively engaging with your audience, you build trust, establish yourself as an authority, and foster strong relationships. This can lead to increased brand loyalty and more affiliate sales as your audience sees you as a reliable source of recommendations and guidance. Congratulations! You've learned several effective content marketing strategies for affiliate marketers. By creating valuable blog posts, engaging videos, utilizing social media, leveraging email marketing, and engaging with your audience, you can attract a loyal following, drive traffic to your affiliate links, and boost your affiliate sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and until next time.